Welcome to this e-learning module on the equity markets. In this module, we'll provide you with all of the information you need to work in the broad equity markets. That might be in an investment bank, it might be in asset management or in a hedge fund. It could be in sales and trading, for example, working on the equity sales side or perhaps the trading side. We start off by taking a look at what are the key roles of the main players in the equity markets. Why do they buy equities? Why do they sell equities? Who is involved in the market as a whole? We then talk about what the different types of equities are. So we start by looking at common stock and then move on to preference shares, for example. Once we've done that, we will start thinking about how equities are issued. We talk broadly about IPOs, initial public offerings, and we also talk about rights issues and how they work in practice. And we'll give you practical examples of how to calculate the rights issue. Once we've done that, we start to look at the central limit order book. This is the market order book where equities are traded. And we see how that operates in practice. And we look at the key types of market orders and the market conventions that are used in order to trade equities. Once we've done that, we will look at some examples of how we can calculate equity indices, starting with very simple indices and then moving on to more complex index examples. Finally, we'll talk about equity valuation on a very broad basis. We'll start by looking at enterprise value, move on to equity value. We'll also show some simple example of multiples, or what are known as comps, and a very broad overview of discounted cash flow valuation. Good luck. Thank you.